Hi ARK fans, welcome to ARK Invest Daily, your daily dose of ARK information. Today in 5 minutes or less, we will try to cover May 5th trades of ARK. And in highlights today, we have these four companies. Again, SKILLZ, DraftKings, and Vuzix, which was yesterday. All three were yesterday as well. And a new addition is Peloton. So they keep adding, keep buying more and more shares of these companies. Stay with me to find out how much and what are they actually selling to buy these. So stay with me, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the other side. Thank you. Welcome back, guys. In our summary section, we keep an eye on high-level numbers like market value and total number of companies they are diversified in. Market value dropping further down by 1.6% to 44.4 billion. So yeah, yesterday it was 45.1 billion, today 44.4. So in general, the trend is looking downwards. Many people losing faith in Cathie Wood. I see on Twitter and in the comments as well, on Reddit, etc. Many people are losing faith, but I'm sticking with them, and I think they may prove everybody wrong, and they may come out winning. Who knows, right? In market, what will happen? They are always long-term players, so I would say hang in there, guys, and they might bounce back. So that's the market value. In terms of total number of companies, they are sticking with 272 since past 3 days. They added one company recently, which is Stone is the name, and it's a Brazilian company, and they are a point of sale software and hardware company. So that was added recently. Now they keep on adding more position to that as well. We'll take a look at in the biggest moves if they pop up today. So let's move on to that. Biggest moves today, the threshold is 5%. Biggest moves by share percentage. So how many shares added or removed? If it was more than 5%, then it will get featured in this chart. These are the companies that qualify that criteria. This is their ranking in the 272 companies that they're diversified in. And adding and removing these shares doesn't necessarily mean the biggest moves, because you have to look at market value changes as well. So for example, DraftKings, they added 10% shares, and it is the biggest move by market value, second biggest by percentage of shares. Anyways, let's go over all of these quickly. SKILLZ is the number one biggest move by percentage of shares. They added 3 million shares again. So they keep buying more and more of SKILLZ. So 20% extra shares added there, 19.7% actually. So that's SKILLZ for you. Let me quickly see if the dates are correctly selected. And then it's present in 2 ETFs. DraftKings, as I'm hovering over these, you'll see more information about where all it's present. So this one is present in 3 ETFs. DraftKings is present in ARKW, ARKK, and ARKF, and they keep buying more and more. Today they purchased 702,000 shares, and stock price just remaining the same as yesterday pretty much. And this is the biggest move, 39.8 million in positive side. Peloton, the exercise equipment company, they bought more shares, 9.5%. This has also featured, has popped up in past as well in many episodes. The stock price continues to go down to $82.60 now, and hence even if they bought more shares, it's turning out to be negative. So yeah, they're buying the dip, looks like. In VTech Corp, again, they're buying the dip there as well. Stock price ticking downwards to $31.20. They bought 6.5% more, amounting to 33.2 million there. Vuzix is a smart glass company which has contracts with so many big companies, including Microsoft, Intel, etc. Added 6% extra shares, 121,000 shares, but not big difference in the market value. It's just 0.5 million worth of shares. And one thing that I forgot to go over is the ranking of these companies. These are pretty high, like NVIDIA is 16 ranked, so that's a big investment, including DraftKings and SKILLZ as well. Peloton is at 84, not so bad. Vuzix is 137, again, not so bad either, in the top half of the companies that they're invested in. Synopsys, they continue to reduce and invest in these companies, looks like high growth companies, because Synopsys had a good run so far. Intercure, also they reduced 5.6%. Stock price continues to go down a little bit. Roche Holdings, I'll hover over all of these so you can see more details. Lending Tree, Trade Desk, advertising company, programmatic advertising there from Verizon. For Asia, Teledyne, Baidu, they continue to sell also because stock price keeps going down to $195.60. That's the biggest move in the negative side, $112.4 million. So that's biggest move by shares. Let's take a look at biggest moves by market value, just because some of the companies may have very high stock price and may not get caught here because small movement in the shares can cause big movement in the market value. So DraftKings popped up above as well, so we'll not go over that. NVIDIA also popped up. Storage Inc. did not, so let's go over that. Pure Storage Inc. they continue to sell. If you look at the shares trend, and the stock price also continues to go down, and so does the market value. Present in 3 ETFs. DocuSign, they're trimming the position there. Stock price also going down. Regeneron Pharmaceuticals trimming the position there. Not trimming actually, they reduced a good chunk, almost 5%. So that's Regeneron. Shopify trimming the position just a little bit. Exact Sciences added more to it because of the dip. Still negative for today. Roku Inc. They continue to trim that as well. Zillow Group trimming that. Baidu trimming that as well. Oh no, not trimming, actually reduced quite a bit, and this was featured above in above chart as well. I need to reduce it. So that's biggest moves by dollars, and this is probably one of those rarest day when Tesla is not featured in any of the biggest moves. So let's take a look at Tesla as well. It's in a little bit of red today. So overall, this is how the fund looks. A lot more red than green. The darkest green being DraftKings here, and darkest red being Baidu. We went over those two already. Just quickly, let's take a look at the trend of Tesla. Number one investment there, 7.4 weightage. Yeah, they trimmed just a little bit, 0.3%. Stock price going down to 670, present in 3 ETFs. So yeah, that was your daily dose, guys. There are no new or removed companies today. And hope you like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.